6:30. It's getting dark, and we are about to start grilling, baby. Yeah. Where are my matches? So welcome to another video. Welcome to the review of the 14-inch Kingsford grill. Right now, I am prepping up the coals for 2 prime New York steak cuts that I got at my local HEB. Yes, sir. The reason I got this grill is because I only have me and my wife to feed, and sometimes whenever we want some barbecue, I have to fire this one up, right? And this one is good for maybe like 4 people, 5 people to eat, maybe up to 8 people, you know, if you're fast or whatever, or depends on what you're making, right? Chicken or sausage, whatever, right? But usually it's just me and my wife, so for 2 New York steaks, I think it's perfect, right? As long as it actually grills good, right? So that's why I got it. That's why I want to try it out, see if it's worth the $25 that I picked it up for at Target. Film a review for you guys so you guys can see if it's worth it or not. So yes, you're welcome, everybody. So what I do all the time, no matter what, without fail, every time that I prep the grill, I run an onion, half-cut onion over it. Ow, 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 ow. Burns, hot. And yeah, just to clean the grill off and everything, and maybe kills off any imperfections or any bad things, maybe. I don't know, actually. Every man in my family does this, so I just do it too, I guess. If you have anything that you do to the grill before you start grilling, please comment down below. Tell me what it is. I want to know what it is. Maybe I'll try it on the next time that I grill something. All right, so the coals are blazing. Let's get started. I got a thermometer in this one right here. Don't normally cook with a thermometer, but let's try it out. Ooh, that boy. Ooh. Yes. Oh, yes. Very good. All right, let's close it up. Let it barbecue a little bit. Yes, so good. Let's see. Says needs to get hotter in there. All right, let's make it hotter. All right, increase the airflow, baby. I think they're ready. I'm gonna cut them open right now just to make sure, because, like I said, I don't really know how to barbecue, but when I get it right, it's good. So let's check them. I got 2 steaks in there and 2 sausages right now. Maybe some more room for 2 more sausages if I wanted to put 2 more. They're all in there at the same time, chilling, happy together, so I can't complain. If you wanted to make some chicken, you know, some legs and wings and thighs, probably put a whole chicken in there. You know, 2 legs, 2 wings, 2 thighs. Maybe not 2 breasts, might be too much. So final thoughts on the Kingsford 14-inch barbecue pit or little grill, whatever. It's actually pretty good, you know. The vent opens up nice and smooth. These little openers, these little air pocket openers open up pretty smooth too. I didn't burn myself trying to open them or close them last night. This little thing comes in handy. It's nifty. You put it over here. Has a little groove right here on top of the handle. You just stick it on top of there. You can carry it wherever you want. Handy dandy. Last night, I don't think I got any footage of the finished New York steaks that I grilled last night, but they were delicious. They were great, awesome, great flavor. Probably partly because they were prime New York strips, but whatever, it cooked them good. It didn't make my 2 $13 pieces of meat go to waste. They were delicious. It grilled pretty good. I couldn't really clean it after, but that's all right. I'll clean it later. But yeah, if you're trying to make a little small barbecue, you know, you want to grill a steak, you want to grill a couple burgers on top of it, boom, just put the burgers on top, let it grill, let it simmer, and that's it. It'll do the job. It'll do what you need it to do. Is it worth the $27? I mean, you can get bigger grills for a little bit more money, but like I said, I didn't need a bigger grill. What I needed was a small grill. And as I said again, this grill did the trick. Feeding 2 people, maybe even feeding up to 4 people. It'll do what you need it to do. that's it for this video. That's it for this review. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like on the bottom, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe, you guys. Peace.